Song of Ascents by David. I rejoiced when they said to me, let us go to the house of the Lord. Our feet were standing within your gates, O Jerusalem. Jerusalem that is built like a city in which all Israel is united together. For there the tribes went up, the tribes of God as enjoined upon Israel, to offer praise to the name of the Lord. For there stood the seats of justice, the thrones of the house of David. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. May those who love you have peace. May there be peace within your walls, serenity within your mansions. For the sake of my brethren and friends, I ask that there be peace within you. For the sake of the house of the Lord our God, I seek your well-being.